So we finally have our first hands-on look at the iPhone SE4, and it's everything we have been buzzing about since last year. A new leaked video gave us a sneak peek at what this phone will look like in your hands. Now I can't tell if this is a real model with the screen turned off or just a super convincing dummy unit, but one thing's for sure, it's got people talking. From what we can see, the design mixes old and new, the front straight out of the iPhone 14 playbook complete with that iconic notch. And flip it over and you will notice something different, a single back camera. Yup, gone is the dual camera setup from the iPhone 14 and in its place is a sleek minimalist design. This move will likely keep costs down, especially since rumors suggest the iPhone SE4 will pack a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. Why so much RAM, you ask? Well, it's all about Apple intelligence. See, AI is Apple's latest obsession and they are bringing it to their budget-friendly model too. That extra RAM will ensure everything runs smoothly, making this phone a powerhouse in its price range. But here is where it gets interesting. This leaked video also debunked those pixel-like iPhone casing floating around. Turns out those aren't for the iPhone SE4 at all, they are either part of a hoax or maybe casing for the rumored iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to drop later this year. But wait, there is more. The iPhone SE4 is also rumored to debut Apple's in-house 5G modem. If this modem works as well as Apple's hopes, we could see it in the iPhone 17 lineup too. While all these upgrades might push the price up a bit compared to the previous SE models, but it should still be one of the most affordable ways to join the iOS ecosystem. Oh, and if you have been thinking about grabbing the current iPhone SE, you might want to act fast. Inventory is running low worldwide, which pretty much confirms that Apple is gearing up to launch the new model. I think they should have kept the older version around at a low price, but hey, progress waits for no one. So will the iPhone SE4 or iPhone 16e, as some are calling it, be one of the best phones of 2025? After the lukewarm reception of the iPhone 16 and the letdown that was the Galaxy S25, it just might be. Stay tuned because this little phone could pack a big punch. So what do you guys think of this new iPhone SE4? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.